Hi everyone! We've got a sweet treat for you today. I'm going to show you how to make 2 easy, heart-healthy cookies that your whole family will enjoy. The first is a peanut butter cookie and the second an oatmeal raisin pecan. These cookies are made with reduced fat and low sodium ingredients, making them a healthier alternative to store-bought or traditional recipe cookies. So let's get started. Before I begin, I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees and prepare a cookie sheet by spraying it with non-stick cooking spray. First, I'll make the peanut butter cookies. To start, I'm going to add margarine to a large mixing bowl and use the back of a spatula to cream the margarine until it becomes soft. Now that the margarine is soft, I'm going to slowly add in white and brown sugar and continue mixing with the back of my spatula to incorporate the sugars until the mixture becomes creamy. Next, I'll add in 1 egg, some peanut butter, and baking soda. Now I'm going to slowly add in flour while mixing the batter simultaneously. Be sure to incorporate the flour all the way. Lastly, add the vanilla. Now it's time to shake the cookies. I'm using a tablespoon to scoop the dough into a ball about the size of a pecan and placing them on the cookie sheet about 1 to 2 inches apart. Now I'm going to flatten each cookie with the back of a floured fork. As you can see, this will leave the trademark little lines of a peanut butter cookie on each one. The cookies are now ready to be put in the oven to bake for 12 to 15 minutes. For our next recipe, the oatmeal raisin pecan cookies, we're going to once again preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and spray a cookie sheet with non-stick cooking spray again. For this cookie, I'll need to prep the raisins by placing them in a small, microwavable bowl with enough water to cover. Then, place this in the microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes. The raisins will then need to soak for 10 to 15 minutes. While the raisins are soaking, I'm going to add margarine and Splenda into a large mixing bowl and using the same technique as before, mix them together with the back of a spatula until it becomes creamy. Next, I'm adding egg and applesauce and mixing it until it is fully incorporated. In a separate bowl, I'm going to make the flour mixture by combining flour, cinnamon, vanilla, salt, and baking powder. Now that the raisins have soaked, we're going to drain them and set them aside. I'm going to slowly add the flour mixture to the margarine mixture and stir until it's fully combined. Once there is no more remaining flour in the dough mixture, I'm going to fold in the raisins that I just set aside, as well as some rolled oats and pecans. Our cookies are now ready to be placed on the cookie sheet. Again, I'm using a tablespoon to scoop the dough into a ball and then place them on the sheet about 1 to 2 inches apart. Now, flatten each cookie with the back of your spoon. We can now place them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Our chewy and crunchy oatmeal raisin pecan cookies are done and they look amazing. We now have 2 kinds of heart-healthy cookies. For extra nutrients, have a glass of low-fat or fat-free milk on the side. The peanut butter cookies make 30 and the oatmeal raisin pecan cookies yield 24. These cookies can be stored in an airtight container on the counter or in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. These recipes can be found online at LSUAgCenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. So come on, let's build a healthy meal.